So I just made a super easy to use digital trading journal, and let me show you what this is capable of. So let's go to January. It's going to help you keep track of your start and end time of trade, so that way you know how long you have been in the trade as well as the time. You'll also start to know what days you're trading because you're going to be keeping track of the days with this drop down menu to make it super easy. After that, you're going to put your symbol in here. You're going to put in whether you took a buy or a sell. You're going to put the units you have. So whether it's a stock or units as in like a currency, so you have a lot or stuff like that. Then you're going to put in your profit loss. Now, if you take multiple trade or multiple take profits, then you're just going to wait till your trade's over, add it up, and put that in on your P&L. I do have it color coded, so the bigger your win, the darker it'll be. And then obviously the bigger your loss, the darker it'll be. So it'll kind of help you eyeball your big trades and your big losses. Now it's going to start to add up your P&L with the balance, starting with your starting balance of your account. And then we're going to keep going. So if you do deposit into the account, you would put just $20 here. Or if you were going to withdraw your profits, you'll put -100, whatever you're taking out, right? That way it keeps track of your actual account balance. And up here, all of this is automatically coded in. Now, if you do start on a different month, say like you get this downloaded and start using it in May, you will just need to change this, take out this code, and then put in manually your actual starting account balance. So that way it could start doing the calculations from there. So you can see we have that starting balance, profit and loss, so it's basically just going to add all these up right here. Then after that we have our monthly growth. Now this is going to keep track of your deposits and withdrawals as well. So if you deposit, for example, we put $20 in and we had an actual growth of $9, our account grew $29 because now we have that to work with, right? So, and then obviously if you do take a withdrawal, it's going to take that away from this amount. Then after the end of the month, these automatically calculate. So if you don't use all 125 rows, it'll still take this last number, put in as your ending balance. So that way you know how you ended for the month. And then it's going to give you your percentage of growth. So this is going to keep track of your growth from your profit and loss and that starting balance for the month. It will not add in your deposits until next month because now you're starting with $39. For example, here I was just testing the formula as I put in $1. So we grew the account 2.56%. So the dashboards, you can see each day your P&L. If you keep growing your account, it's going to put down your account balance for each day you place a trade. And it's also going to show you your daily wins and losses. So you could kind of see, you know, how your account's flowing. Are you making money? How much? And you can just visually see it versus seeing it here with the colors. Now, after you fill out all this for the year, we have our dashboards page. It's going to pull in all your profit and loss for each month automatically. The code's already put in here. It's also going to keep track of the percentage for each month as well. And then we also just put in our ending account balance. Now this is our starting balance. So I just put this row in here to kind of start your account from $10. And we could see that growth over the year. Then we could see our profit and loss each month, how much we're making each month, as well as that percentage of growth each month. So super easy to use. I wanted it complex enough where you get some actual data and you can see trends in your trading and keep track of all your numbers. But I wanted it simple enough where it wasn't really too complex to use. And really, this is just kind of filling it out and using it and keeping track of your trades. So hope this helps you. If you're interested in this, click that link below. It'll take you to our website where we have a list of all of our resources and stuff. Just look for that digital trading journal. Don't mistake it for our paper copy right here. This is a little different. This is more writing and reflecting on your trading and all that stuff. So they do pair well together. I do use both at the same time. But if you just want this, this is the digital trade journal, and it is a very small fee. I believe we're going to put it up for $9. And once you pay for it once, you could literally just make copies for year after year and make your own edits if you want to change this. What's yours, it's yours. You could do what you want with it. So if you get this, I hope you take the time to actually fill this out accurately, and you'll start to improve on your trading when you have this hardcore data to back up your good trades, and as well as help you learn when you're on a down streak, taking loss after loss, and you could visualize it, get yourself together, and get back in the game. So happy trading, everyone. Check out other content if you are learning about trading and you want some more advanced knowledge. We have tons of videos on TikTok and YouTube, as well as our links.theforexation.com, and you can check out everything we have to offer.